Hello guys, welcome back to the Lumley trading video. In this one we are going to be doing some in-depth stock analysis, technical analysis over on Tilray, ticker TLRY. So to get straight into it, what are the key levels that I'm paying attention to? And as always, when we're doing technical analysis, I'm paying attention to the standard deviation charts. On the left we have a 6 month, on the right we have the 1 year. What are key supports? So one thing I want to note is 316 to 250. This is statistical mean. If you've been watching this channel before, you know how standard deviation works. Statistical mean basically just means fair value. So really, I'm never looking to trade a stock off a technical kind of limb in this range, because again, there isn't much of a trading edge there if you're solely trading off technicals. So to me, between 250 and 315, I'm not looking to trade this stock. Now, if we do end up breaking below that 250, then from 228, that's our second deviation on the 6 month, first buying opportunity. If we break that, I'm looking at the 186 and the 133. We also had actually the 142, and they're going to be the key supports on the downside. But really, with these kind of stocks, when they've been downtrending before, and they tend to be, you know, previous gappers, and then they just fade, like a lot of these kind of like pump and dump kind of looks. Really, I prefer to trade them more on a short buy. So I think buying them on the long side, yes, there's probably money to be made, but it's how long do you have to hold it for? Where does your stop need to be? I think it's just a lot harder to manage to the downside, where, as if we start pushing to the upside, from the 360 and a 368, this is our first deviation on both the 6 month and the 1 year. So I know coming into this range, more likely than not, we're at least going to get a pullback. And that's really the way I trade these, is the first time we come into this level, I trade it as a pullback. So whether I'm trading it through options, whether that's a credit spread, debit spread, an outright put, or even if I'm trading shares, the first time it comes into this level, I'm looking to capitalize on the first pullback. As it pulled back, I'll move my stop to break even and lock in some profits. The reason for this is if it's only a pullback, you know, we're not risking much on the trade. If anything, you know, we're still going to run away with a small profit. But in the chance that it's an overall reversal, which especially is more likely, you know, when you do get these massive pumps on the stock, then there is a lot of upside on the trade, and there is a lot of good risk to reward on those kind of trades. Now, the 360, 370, this would probably be a day trade if I'm trading it. Reason for that is, looking recently, obviously we've gone through this level quite a bit. It has provided the opportunities, but it looks more commonly that it's just a pullback. So this level is definitely going to be more of a pullback play to me. If we break it though, 403 is going to be that next level. Breaking through there would be 445, then 485, and then final level taking us out to $6 and $7.20. Now, to me, the 445 and above, this is where I would be considering potential swings, because again, they've just not been hit as much, and when they have, there's been a really harsh pullback or a reversal. So really, from that level and above, that's where I'm going to be going in with the probably swings and bigger size. The ones below, so the $4, the 360 to 370 range, definitely still good and viable day trades, just something I'm not really looking to swing. Now, on Tilray, there is options, and this is why I said as well there is potential to swing, because obviously if you're shorting a stock overnight, especially these stocks that can really push quite heavy, you want some sort of protection. If you're trading them kind of naked shorts, there's a lot of risk on there, not something I would ever really look to swing. So really, it's being able to hedge with the options is really going to make this a good day trading opportunity, or even swing trading opportunity. Anyway, hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, why not drop a like and subscribe, and check out this analysis video.